Now you might ask the question, that's a beautiful pork loin.
Yes, it is. What did you,
You
do,
might
Mr.
say,
Farmer?
what did you do, Mr. Farmer? Well, I brined it for several hours, about 6 hours. This is for about a half a gallon of water. I put a half a cup of kosher salt, half a cup of brown sugar, third to a half of soy. Now you want that salt to really sink in there. Then put about a half a tablespoon of dry garlic in there. I also want some black pepper. I like a whole lot of black pepper in there. Use a tablespoon or two. And also put a little bit of liquid smoke. I like the hickory on there. You can use a cap full of that, of the smoke itself. That's your basic sweet and salty brine. You can use it for just about anything. I've used it to smoke fish with. I use it for my pork. I use it for my chicken. And it's an old recipe. A buddy of mine way back, Billy Bob, shared that with me. And
Well, so good.
I've been doing that for probably 25 years. So what's the perfect complement to pork?
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper and black pepper on the top. Now you think about this, I want to use this as a sandwich meat. I know where it came from.
Right.
I know exactly what's in it and not in it. So you want to bring that zing out on the top. You got the lemon pepper and the pepper. So when you cut this and you have that and you layer that on your sandwich,
Oh, wow.
you make sure you get a little bit of that lemon pepper and it really gives it a nice zing and a
Oh,
nice
yeah.
flavor. So after you put your lemon pepper, and I mean quite a bit on the top, put it in smoker, 235 for about 4 hours. Now you want to achieve at least 150 degrees internal temperature. This probably got up a little bit above that because I walked away. It's probably 170, which is fine. But pork, they brought it down just a little bit. You can be safe with 150. But being this is going to be in the refrigerator, it went up to about 170, which is fine. It's perfect. It's going to be a thick sandwich. We got our pork, our smoked pork, but perfect to me, perfect
yeah.
lunch meat. I mean, look at this. Look at that.
That's nice.
And again, the top with pepper and lemon pepper, so you have that nice flavor there. So what we're going to do, Mrs. Farmer,
Okay.
is we're going to spread some of our
Mustard.
mustard on here. We like a stone ground mustard here. Ooh.
Wow.
And some beautiful, wonderful, look at that, perfect
That's
size.
perfect.
Should we put another little
We
tiny
should.
one on there inside?
Make it nice and big.
Just make it nice and thick. Some smoked Swiss cheese.
Yum.
Oh, you know what? I think you ought to cut that in half.
Cut that in half
Miss Farmer.
for you?
Make it
If you
perfect.
give me that knife, I will do it.
Now, I want you to look. Oh, that's our own lunch meat. Look at that. That's our own bread. You want to bite first?
I do. I think I need everything first because I'm hungry.
What do you think? Isn't that good?